website sucks.
Here's why. This one is a brochure that just inflates your ego. It's 80% about you and only like 20% about your customer. And this one sells like every product you have in all of existence. This one is from the 90s. And this one, oh wait, this one's actually pretty good. Perfect, actually. You must have built this using Clickfunnels that walks your customers through a journey and eventually gets a sale. You made great offers, made upsells and downsells, and now you're rich. And single? But if you're still watching this and haven't built a funnel yet, you need to join the Your First Funnel Challenge. This is a free challenge where you'll hear from myself and lots of other amazing speakers. So click that link and join the free challenge today so you can build your first funnel, unless you already have and you're already rich. That's you. Call me single. I wrote a song. If you want to build a funnel, then sign up with Russell. You want to start your business, then sign up for the 5-day Build Your First Funnel, even if you don't have any tech skills or know what a funnel is or have a product. Challenge.